Ladies and gentlemen, this is Wonder Boy and the farm. And today, features, we're gonna feed all these cows and make sure they have the salt block, the mineral block. So tune in and enjoy the moment. This is the salt block. This is sulfur. This good for the flies them. And this is the mineral blocks. Keep the cows them healthy. I'm giving these cows grain, but I don't have to give them a lot of grains because they got a lot of grass. But for them to come to me when I want, I make sure to bring them a treat at each time I comes up here. So what I did, I put it into this trough and they come and lick the salt when them ready. And then, so as them need it, they come and lick it. So as you see, we have one cow waiting for it. And this one is my main bull right here. This is a black Angus bull. So all the white face offspring is fair. And this one we call him Honey. See him right here? That's Honey right there. That's a young bull I got right there too. So all these girlfriends is it. All these girls is his. Okay, I'm getting ready to feed now. Oh. Although them not move, but you cannot turn it back and then. And this is how I feed them. Come over and walk side of me, boy. Come over and walk side of me. Okay, so we have each trough, we chose and scatter the feed that they don't fight. Come walk beside me. So we on the farm, ladies and gentlemen. Doing a routine feed today with the cows there. Just checking them out. Just checking them out. This one is to have babies. See her there? To soon get babies. Alright, I'm out of here to the next project. I want you to like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Wonder Boy coming to you with a lot of contents. So look out for Wonder Boy next contents coming up soon. Alright, you have a blessed day and God bless.